Come test drive the 2017 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, sports suspension, remote keyless entry, fog lights, driver convenience group, super track pack, four-wheel disc brakes. Come take a test drive today.